Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from HSBC to another bank account. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to HSBC website on your browser. Then you will have to log in into your account. You can log in by using your security code or log in using your password. Now, after you log in, you will have to go and navigate to the top right here and click on My Banking. It will open the account dashboard. Then you should go to this section right here, Move Money, and choose Pay or Transfer. After that, it will show you this page. Now you will have to choose the first one right here, Pay or Transfer. Then it will show you here all the details of the transaction. You have to fill in all of this information. So you have to enter the amount, the reference, which is optional, to whom you want to transfer the money, and the type of payee. You can also choose the date of the transaction. You can transfer this money instantly or later by doing a schedule for the transaction. And you can also make it a recurring transaction by clicking on this button right here. After that, you can click on continue and your transaction will be pending. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.